get this party started. I'll start the music. Drum roll, please. What can I do?
What do you think?
While I'm waiting for the fun to begin.
Think.
Now I'm wondering,
I think I might need a honey break.
could I do something fun while I wait?
I know a game that we can play, Winnie the Pooh.
Might as well try. I'll start with this. Hide and seek, face paint. Maybe try that.
Story time.
Shadow puppet, board game, dance party.
I'm a pirate looking for honey.
Ahoy! So maybe I'll dance around and sing hum diddly hum, hum diddly hum. There are lots of fun things to do when you're waiting for fun.
We can play cat